Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how you can create a Mark book right here in our Google Chrome. So for instance, you go on different type of website I want to keep track of it. Then you're going to create the folder here and put the bookmark. But what is a bookmark? Definitely, some of you might be wondering. But if you notice right here, a bookmark is a marker used to keep track of a reader's place in a book or a quick access a web page or a file later on. So that means to say if you go on a file, I want to access it back again, then you put it in the markbook. And that's exactly what we're going to create the folder and put it in the markbook that you can come across it. But right up here, right, you're going to right click. You notice you right click, this is what come up. Notice show you all and all that. Right here is the add page. So you're going to create the folder right here. You're going to click. Then I'm going to write Amazon right here. Good, so this save it. Notice we have Amazon folder right here. Definitely. So we're going to create a different one right here again. And then we're going to write right here and see you right here. And then we're going to save it. All right. So these are two things that we're going to actually go on. And then we're going to place them in this two folder right here. So when you're ready for them, we can actually go directly there without even have to type. All right. So we're going to come in our search bar right here. I'm gonna type Amazon. This is service Amazon. So I'm going to come right here and the official site right here. So now I click on the site. Now I'm going to come right up here. Notice right here, see little star. I'm going to click on the star and this is what happens. So I'm going to come right here. Folder, say mark tab. I click on this little pointer right here. Notice this is service Amazon. The folder, I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on it, done. All right, and I can go back right there. Go back. That's the same. Now if I come right here and click on Amazon, notice right here, this here it is. I can actually just click on this and book right here and all of that. Now I'm gonna look on NCU now. Notice this is if it's NCU. Alright, so searching in top up right here. So we're gonna click on that. Now click on it. Now we're gonna click right here and look at star. You notice you're gonna come like this and notice this is the folder. You're gonna click and then you're gonna click on done. So we can always go back just the same. But in order to do this, you have to ensure that you're signing. So I wanted to go to NCU, which is Northern Caribbean USA. Just click like this and then click like that, and there you go. I'm actually on it just the same. Alright, so definitely if I wanted to go to Amazon, I just click right here, that, and that's it. Now that, go back. So you notice, I always have them right up here. So if you sign out, you won't miss it. As long as you sign up, it's right here. So if you visit a frequent website, they just simply create a folder and then actually place them right here in it. Very important. Right there. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.